That's good.
Greedy.
What's up, everybody? It's Kindle. Today we're back here with another Tabitha Brown food review. Today we'll be reviewing the vegan chili and the potato salad. I know I went overboard in that too. That's because that's my business. But we're gonna get into these and try to see how these are. Let's go. I don't know if y'all can see it, but right here on the instructions it says you can microwave it, and yeah, you can microwave it. You can either put it in a skillet or a pot, because that's what she did. But I'm putting it in the microwave because it's a lot easier. I'm not trying to wash no dishes, and I'm not trying to clean up no pans, so let's get into it. Okay, so I just took the top off. That's what it looks like inside. And we're gonna warm it up. She was right, it do smell good when it's cold. Put it on 3 to 4 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give it a taste. That's good.
Greedy.
Let me get some cheese and parsley. And this cheese ain't vegan, but it's gonna do good anyway. Let's taste it.
Y'all tried, hun.
Okay, now let's get into this potato salad. Good Lord, it's loud. Here we go. I see some red potatoes, which I like. Cold, but good. Ooh. And I don't really eat potato salad like that. Oh yeah, the quick update about the popcorn. I'm almost down with this one, and this one's just hanging on for dear life. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you have tried these, let me know how you liked it. If you bought any of the other stuff as well. And with that being said, we're out.